Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you how to add images to readme. So first we need to host an image. So if you want to add image link in a readme, so we have to host it. So I uploaded image in git repository itself. So I'm going to open this image. So after this, so view the image, or you can copy the image location first. So after copying the image location, so in your readme file, there we have called, this is the format. So the format is like, so the description of the image and the link that you have to be placed, and this is the link, right? I copied from there. And the description, you need to add description. So let's see, I'm already added it. So the description is the demo. I added it, demo of movie filter application, and the image and demo app. Movie filter application demo. So like this you have to add, okay, the link and the description. So after this you need to commit it. Git status, okay, I need to save this. So git status, git add and commit. So the commit added we filter demo image, Control X, Shift Y, enter. So git push. Yeah, so now I'm going to refresh it, the repository. So once it's done, you can see our image added here, and this is the text that I added. That's it guys, and hope you like the video, and please subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.